Oh, to all my beloved subscribers, local and overseas, and of course the viewers. Hope you are always in the pink of health. Have a great day. Hope you are receiving a lot of blessings from above. Today I uploaded words to live by. Ito yung mga food for souls, mga reminders for our that could be used for our everyday living. Parang mga parang mga uh, reminder, mga guide while we are here on earth. Minsan kailangan talaga natin ng mga little reminders, So itong mga these reminders that I uploaded, malaki ang maitutulong niyan dahil through experience, mga sinundan ko din yung mga positive food for souls, very positive yan and very effective, kung susundin natin, kasi while we are here on earth, kailangan marami tayong reminder. Kasi lahat tayo nakakaranas ng tinatawag na darkness of life. No exemption, yung tinatawag na kadiliman. Lahat tayo meron yan, nagkakaroon tayo. At saka, yung darkness of life, it consists of two parts. Yung isa, yung spiritual darkness. At saka yung isa, yung mga, yung external, at saka yung internal, no? Yung internal, yun yung ating mga, yung it affects our emotion and yung feelings natin, such as yung despair, anxieties, yung mga ganyan, yung bitter tayo, kasi it involves emotion, yan tinatawag na isang darkness of life, inner, yung sa loob natin. Yun namang isa, yung external. Ang external is all about poverty, yung struggles natin sa paghihirap natin, na yun nga, yung kahirapan natin, yan, external yan. Hindi yan sa inner, kasi hindi naman din natin ginusto rin na maging mahirap ang mga tao, no? Excuse me. So what I did to help each and every one of you, I made a research of some of these food for souls, mga enhancement yan sa ating everyday living. So, sana, makatulong sa inyo yan, kasi nakatulong sa akin ng malaki yan, lalo na if we are struggling, yung mga kahirapan ng buhay, meron tayong mga problema in our inner self, basahin nyo lang yan, at intindihin, and then you apply it to your everyday living, So, to make it interesting, I included some drawings para interesting din sa inyo while you are watching and reading the mga yan spices, additional enhancement sa buhay natin. While we are here on earth, kailangan we must always be reminded, para hindi tayo nagkakamali, no? So, lalo ngayon, mahirap ang buhay, The world is in chaos, kaya tayo na rin ang maaaring makapagpabuti sa sarili natin, So, itong mga words to live by na to, mga pantulong lang to na na maaring malaki maitutulong nito, and I'm talking through experience, So, yan, yung spiritual darkness, yan yung nakakalimutan natin na mayroong Panginoon na maaari nating kapitan. So yun yung pag sinabing spiritual darkness, kulang tayo ng pananaw sa creator natin. Kaya naliligaw tayo ng minsan, nagiging madilim ang buhay natin, no? So, Kasi yung spiritual darkness, yan yung yung rejection of truth na unbeliever, yung mga ganun eh. Kaya minsan yun na nga ang nagiging cause ng nagiging madilim ang pamumuhay. Oh. And then yung inner darkness naman, yun yung emotion yun eh. It involves emotion, yung mga despair tayo, may nangyari sa buhay natin. Minsan hindi natin makalimutan. Yung mga struggle, yung fear, yung ganyan. Yan yung mga halimbawa ng ng inner darkness of life. So para maging maliwanag, habang nasa lupa tayo, palaging may pag-asa at palagi nating hahabulin ng liwanag kasi we are still here on earth, laging may pag-asa, kaya kung may pag-asa, laging may liwanag yan. Ang kailangan lang natin gawin, hanapin natin at habulin natin at sundan natin ang liwanag na yan. So, alam natin na in a spiritual context, we know that Jesus is the light of the world. He was the one who will bring light of light to those who will follow him. So, sana maging malaki ang maitulong sa inyo ng mga words to live by na to, mga food for souls, sa inyong everyday living. Okay, so bye for now, and I hope you enjoy watching and reading this, and sana makatulong sa inyo, life is like a camera. Just focus on what is important. Capture the good times. Develop from the negatives. And if things don't work out, just take another shot. Ang ibig sabihin ang buhay natin parang camera, di ba? So, ang lagi nating, di ba pag may camera tayo, madalas maganda yung kinukuha natin, and nabubuo yung negative. So, kung hindi naging maganda, then we take another shot. Ibig sabihin nito, kung nadapa tayo, kailangan bumangon tayo, and then we have to move on. Do the same thing again. Take the opportunity of taking all the good things kung ano yung nararapat sa buhay natin. Okay, again, bye for now, and hope you are always in the pink of health. More blessings for you, and keep safe and mag-ingat tayo. Bye for now.